like good placement, IIT Bombay was the best place to go. So I choose that.
So if you got the same chance again, if you have to select IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, and IISc Bangalore, which one you prefer now?
I don't think like there is any difference between these IITs. Like now I work with so many IITs, correct, outside. I have met with so many people. So IISc is a very good place. I know people from IIScs. They are so much successful. So still, I like you can go anywhere. It's up to you. But based on the like campus beauty and everything, I will still prefer going IIT Bombay. Not like nothing bad about all these other institutes. They are also equally good. It's all about like where you want to be and what you want to do.
So
So
your perception is not changed. Same IIT Bombay only you
yes,
take.
that's what I'm saying. I have met with IIT Delhi people, IIT Bombay people, all the IITs, older IITs, newer IITs, and ISC. I think like people are equally talented everywhere. So you can go, and professors are also equally talented everywhere. So you have to choose what you want to do. If you feel some professor is good in some IIT, prefer that rather than going IIT Bombay. So I choose IIT Bombay because I wanted to do something in ML and image processing and that thing, and IIT Bombay professor were good at that time, so I joined that. So yeah.
So under which guide you done the M.Tech?
So I did my master thesis in so these IITs are not in IIT anymore. They are in Europe right now. So they moved to Europe. But I did my masters in Markov. Like there is a very specific topic in the like machine learning called Markov chain. So I did my thesis in that. But these
Who is,
IITs are like
who is your guide? Who is your guide?
Ashutosh, there were two guys, Akshat and Ashutosh. They moved, like I think Ashutosh already moved to US, Ashutosh sir, but Akshat sir should be still in IIT. I feel I haven't checked them, but last time when I checked, Ashutosh sir moved to Europe sir, in different
Okay,
university.
okay, okay, okay. So can you say something about your journey in IIT Bombay little bit? Those
In
2 years.
IIT Bombay, yeah, IIT Bombay is fun and joyful thing. I was little bit like lazy as well. So and also like only wanted to do courses. I have specific courses in my mind what I wanted to do, and luckily all the courses were in the afternoon session. So I only used to wake up very late in the afternoon and used to join all these classes.
What time you used to sleep?
Sleeping is like very late. Still, I sleep very late, 2 3 in the night. So I still follow the same pattern. But yeah, but I used to wake up very late as well. So but like luckily all of my courses were in the afternoon session. I used to go them. It was very fulfilling and joyful journey. You're gonna meet with so many talented people there, so many like so much freedom there as well, and the campus is also equally beautiful, correct? So I have made so many good friends there. I have very good memories what I spent 2 years there. It was Jan, and also equally um, I would say that fulfilling as well, correct? And not only in terms of career as well as like you're gonna get so much good memory going to the Powai Lake and like doing so much fun during rain, the college bus and everything. So it was fun, hostel nights and everything. So it was very rewarding journey for me at least. I like that place and I enjoyed my 2 years staying there.
So which hostel you are IIT Bombay?
So I started with IIT, hostel number 5 in first year, and then I moved to hostel number 11. I think 11. These are the newer hostel in the backside.
Okay.
But like I started with the hostel number 5.
Backside there is a lake, right? Hostel number 11.
Yeah, so they
Backside.
made all the yeah, I think like now they renovated all the hostel, but so initially they had some new hostel which they made in the backside of the IIT, and these were the like multi-story building at that time. I was in these
Mm,
hostel actually.
mm. Mine is hostel number 12.
What? Can you repeat?
Mine is mine is
Okay,
hostel
okay.
12.
Okay. You were in hostel number. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah,
So I think mine are I think hostel number 9 starting in the first year, hostel number 12 in
sure.
the second.
Yeah,
Yours is
yeah. You are.
5. You are five,
Yeah.
5 and 11, right?
Yes. I think like
Nice.
you understand what I was talking about, the hostel night and everything. So much fun used to be there. You make so many good friends there, correct? So I made so many good friends there. I
Mm.
enjoyed every bit of staying
So
there. And
can you list out? Can you list out few of your friends?
yeah,
Title.
one of them is Manjunath. Hey Manjunath, if you are listening, hi. Ajay was the other, Mayank was the other, and Jayant, Pawan. Like all these people used to be with me all the time. And Manjunath was one of the friend who did all the same courses was what I did. He also did the thesis under the same professor. So his and my mark sheet are same, equally same. We got similar sort of marks as well. So he was one of my best friend there.
Okay. Okay. Next. So, what advice you are going to give to IITians, those people who passed out, just passed out, those people who are studying? What advice you can give? Because you've seen very big life. So, what advice you
Yeah.
want?
So any person who is in IIT and looking for placement, so I cannot give advice who is looking for like PhDs because I never pursue that path, so I don't know what is there for them. I can only give advice to the people who are looking for jobs, correct? So the time is different right now. People are like there is so much scrutiny going on in the industry and hard to get the good jobs as well. So people are looking for the graduates who are highly talented as well as prepared for the industry. People are not giving time right now in the industry to get ready and take some time and then do the job. They want you to be ready to do the job from the day first. So be ready. The opportunities are in the AI and the generative models and like that sort of thing. So be prepared, have that sort of exposure and be hands-on. That's my advice. Like always, like you have to be hands-on if you want to join the industry. People are not willing to wait to deliver something. They want result starting from day one. So that's my advice. Who is in IIT right now, rather than yeah, if you are want to do PhD, probably yeah, maybe some other person can guide you well there.